everyone. In this video I'm going to show you a very interesting mindset about pentatonic. You may have been stuck in so many shapes or being stuck in idea that we have really strongly connected all different shapes, 5, 7, 8 or whatever it might be. But the point is that if you really focus on just one and try to get the most out of this, well, that's great. That's how a slash sounds very good, very creative. It's all about being creative, learn a different, licks, harmonic patterns so that it sounds very good in just one of them. In this video, I'm going to show you a very good, interesting approach using the pentatonic of A minor or its relative, the C major, starting from the A here, the starting point of A. That one here, very, very common one, right? But instead of repeating that over and over again, we're just gonna go to the half or a little more part of this shape, and then we're gonna start repeating that so that it sounds like we're going to so many shapes. It may sound that we're going to so many notes, but we are actually just playing 4 notes of the pentatonic, not even the last notes of pentatonic. All right, let me show you that. You see that it may sound that I was playing so many notes, but I was surprisingly just play 4 notes, not even the whole pentatonic. But the point is that when I get to the 4th note of the pentatonic, then I go to the next string and I start over the same shape. And the bright side is that, of course, I can keep going until we get to the end of our strings. So after this, I can go to the 10th of the B and do that again. And it sounds very good, like, and of course you can apply different licks, you can do whatever you want to that nose, like. All right, so that was the tip today. I just want you to think more about getting the most of each one of the shape. All right, going beyond of just thinking about going over and over again through so many shapes, trying to connect that crazily, right? Just focus and get the most out of each one of the pentatonic, and then your pentatonic will sound very great, right? Bye-bye, and I hope that I'm gonna see you again in our next video. Bye.